Today, we will learn how to schedule a patient appointment for a doctor consultation in the hospital information system. Step 1. Log in. First, log in to the hospital information software using your username and password provided by the IT team. Step 2. Schedule an appointment. After a successful login, navigate to the software interface and go to the Inquiry module. Select the Schedule Appointment section. Here, you can create a patient appointment with the selected doctors. If the patient is already registered in our hospital, search for them using the patient register number or name. If the patient is not registered, click on Outside Patient. Type the patient's name, and the system will search for all patients with the entered name. If the patient's data is already in the system, select it. Otherwise, enter the patient's name, contact number, age, and category. Step 3. Patient category selection. The patient category is crucial for determining billing tariffs and other details. If a patient has insurance, select the corresponding insurance category during the appointment process. Otherwise, choose the private category, which is the default cash category. Step 4. Select appointment type and department. Choose the appointment type and select the department. You will see a list of doctors available in this department. Select the doctor, and you will see the doctor's available appointment times as per the settings. Choose a time slot according to the patient's preference, and you will receive an appointment number for this patient. Step 5. Confirm the appointment. Return to the appointment list from the main menu to view the patient appointment you scheduled earlier. Click on the Confirm button to be redirected to the patient registration page. Step 6. Complete registration. Here, enter any missing details and generate the doctor consultation bill for the patient. You will find options to print the label, prescription, and payment receipt. Print them as needed. This completes the process from scheduling a patient appointment to a consultation. Thank you for your time with us. If you found this video helpful, please share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech videos.